Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and if you are new to my channel you are very warmly welcome, and I hope you will find something interesting to learn here. So our today project is also about sewing. As you can see, I have my quilt here, and today I gonna teach you special project is how to make a custom label through your sewing machine. As you can see, we have prepared this very well, and this project I gonna teach through my sewing machine Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. So if you have a same kind of machine, or if your sewing machine have a alphabet or numbers embroidered option, you might be able to use the same technique. So let's go ahead and start it over to the project. Okay, so for preparing our fabric labels, today I already have prepared this fabric patch. Simply I just have use on a bag with the iron, which make little more steady the look to this fabric patch, which will help us to have nicely stitching embroidered labels. So I am using for this project my Singer Quantum Stylist 9960, and my machine have a feature I can embroider alphabet and numbers on that, which will be very fun to do that. So let's go ahead and start it. Okay, so we are here now with our machine, and we're gonna select the the alphabet setting through our dial. And if you notice, we have the bottom button here with the embroidered label, and it's also saying ABC. So simply we're gonna click on that, and then if you click one time, they will show up all those embroidered stitches, but if you click again, then that will bring the alphabets. So if you see on the top, this embroidery required presser foot number B, which I already have attached with our sewing machine. And then if you can see, there's a different style of writings, alphabets. So as you know, by clicking double, we had got this alphabet bar, but by clicking more, you can reach to different this style of alphabets. So you can pick any, and by going back forth, you can select any. So I'm gonna select A, center one, and then I'm gonna start selecting my alphabets. So I'm gonna prepare Cyrus, and by keep moving, we have more options ahead. Cyrus, okay, so we have prepared our first letter Cyrus, and then we are looking for space. So this box is our space, so we're gonna select this box, which gonna create the space, and then we will prepare our next word, creations. And we have prepared our first letter Cyrus creations, which I want to have on my first line of fabric, and then we will prepare second line and then third line. So let's start now. Okay, now our project is ready to sew. Just make sure your top threads stay on the top, because you want to have an easy access with your embroidery. So let's see. Now we're just gonna remove all the extra threads, and you can see it's already looking nicely, but by removing extra threads they will be more neat. Alright, so now we are ready to sew our next word. So the next word I'm selecting made with love. I'm keeping the same design of alphabet. Just gonna select the alphabets. Okay, made with love. So now we're gonna go to our sewing machine, and as I had told you before, the top thread must stay on the top. Simply gonna remove the extra threads. And I'm gonna put on the bottom 2020. So the C button here is removing, cutting off the previous letters, and we are going back to selected. Uh-oh. $20.20. Alright, so now our label is ready to sew on back of our quilt. I wish I had a little bit to move here this letter so they stay on the side, but that's okay. I mean, it's still gonna be a back of my quilt. So let's head to our quilt and attach this together. Thank you so much for watching our today project, and I believe you have enjoyed watching this project. If you really do, please give this video thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel Saira's Creations. God bless you all and have a fabulous day. Bye bye.